3 points. You'll be expected to find all 3 in 3 hours. Take out your naps at this time.
Nightly nav, you just have obstruction of view, right? Like you don't have the same vantage points that you'd have during the day. So you're just kind of trusting your route plan versus being able to kind of just veer off the terrain when you're doing it during the day. So in 2016, I joined the United States Navy. I did that for around 5 to 6 years. I was an aircraft rescue firefighter, ABH for the crash and salvage side. So I chose ROTC because I wanted to hone my leadership skills. I was an ALPO in the Navy, which is Assistant Leading Petty Officer. I really enjoyed being over my guys and being able to help and benefit my guys. My wife is like my biggest support. She's pushed me into becoming like an officer. And 7 months ago, I had my daughter. Actually, I had my first Father's Day in the field, which was hard. But knowing that it's like I'm setting them up for success in the future, like that's been such a driving factor for why I want to do this. What leadership means to me is just caring for your guys. I lost 4 friends to suicide in the Navy. And if I can do something in my military career to make sure that never happens again, I'm going to do it. And if that means I have to suffer through something or work hard at something to make sure people are going to be okay and treated like people, prioritizes people, I'm going to do that. The military has provided me so much. It's turned me into the man that I am today. I'm grateful for the military. I'm grateful for the challenges it's given me. It's been hard, but it's been so rewarding. It's going to be difficult, but life is difficult. Just try to challenge yourself and execute it. Because that's what I've done, and it's obviously worked. It's continuing to grow me as a man, as a husband, as a father, and as a leader.